Mama. Ay sila na. Sa-set up na sila ng anak. Set up na sila ng ano man, papartihan. Nagdadaos ng party. May mawala yung binyag. Tamba ko. Si Mama. Hi, Mama.
Ay, buray.
Why?
Punong-puno. Bakit?
Ang daming bibinyagan.
Tapos...
Tapos... Ay, pala siya.
Hindi makaupo.
Yan yan, DJ! JJ! Yan yan, dali!
Smile!
Ayan! Mga nina!
Ay,
Huwag kami ibigyan sa
photo bomber.
AJ! Wow!
Yun ang pang Lion King.
Di ba mag-solo pa sila?
Hello, baby. Hello. Ay. Hello. Hello. Ganda-ganda ng dress. Vlogger. Then. Ay. Hello. Mga magaganda. Hello. Hi. Okay. Okay. Then. Hi. Mama.
Ako sila may para doon.
Ganda naman ang baby na yan. Kumakain. Ay, baby. Nyam, nyam, nyam. Ali. Hello, Ali. Ali. Wow. Naka-birthday si Ali. Mama. Ay. Ali.
Tingin na. Ay, na, oh.
Ali.
Yan.
Ha?
Dito rin yan. Dito rin.
Wala pa yung
And I will be your host magician for today. And I'm here to really make sure that everyone will enjoy. And now, guys, kids, I have a question to all the guests. Who wants to get a prize? Raise your hands. Alright, even yung mga Yaman Heart, ha? Yan, meron si Mommy and Daddy na ready to give prizes for the Yaman Heart and kids. And now, are you guys ready for the grand entrance? He's on the run, Edmark Jr. Happy birthday! Make some noise, everyone! Happy birthday! Yan, happy si Edmark Jr. Nag-jump siya. Alright, so once again, clap your hands for the birthday family. And look at the camera, give a big smile. Ready? 1, 2, and smile. Alright, so remain standing.
Kindness, compassion, courage, and faith help him become a person who brings joy to others and reflects your goodness wherever he goes. Place baby EJ's life in your loving hands, trusting that you will guide him today, tomorrow, and always. Lord, we also ask for your part of our program, bring joy, love,
Nakitang dalawa. Dalawa. So mahirap doon tingnan kapag walang upuan out of this. Okay, change here. Okay. How many kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about wave your hand? Wave your hand. Very good. Ilabas ang sugar ng mga kids. Okay. Very good. Oh, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Okay. Nagulat lang, nagulat. Yan. Okay.
Alias mainit.
Kapulat ko lang.
Okay. Next, music, Mr. DJ. Wait. Actually, lahat sila nanalo, pero napakagaling. Tingnan natin, tingnan natin, ano? Yes. Warning is wrong. Okay, come on. Ito na. Dali may pang-Starbucks na kayo. Danger is wrong. Still. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, natin yung face natin. Yan. Bawal tignan, ha? Pusog na lang po tayo dito, ma'am. Move na lang po tayo. Okay. So, gagawin lang yung pagod sa 7 up. Okay, next draw. Magkakaiba tayo dito. Girls, boys. Shape ng face. Draw your shape ng face. Merong watermelon. Merong pagkasama mo si Koki. Ay, huwag ka yung nasa... Wow, thank you so much. Next, table, please. Hindi niya. Picture taking for table. And yung nakapagpa-picture na, pwede na po yung may numbers to our hood area po. Kaya hindi po yung natin, execution natin for you. Alright, thank you so much. Take your time, enjoy your food.
Ang sauce ko dito to.
Next table, please. Invite all the kids, please. Occupy the chair. Come on. Ayan, manood tayo ng magic show, guys. Para mag-enjoy lahat ng kids natin. Come on, everyone. Kuya, mga... Nood kayo ng magic. Come on. Let us start.
Mama.
Sit down na dali. Sit down, mga kids. Para ma-enjoy nyo yung magic. Okay? Justin, say hi, Justin. Justin Bieber. Alright, listen guys, kids. Justin Bieber all the way from LA, Lower Antipolo. Say bye. yet. Why? Teka lang, bakit? Okay, so now you have to introduce yourself, okay? Okay. For example, kaya mo ako ha. My name is Dan.
My name is Dan.
Hindi yung pangalan mo.
Hindi yan pangalan mo.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? Sabi nga tayo.
I mean, magpakala, what is your name? Mag-concentrate.
Alam ko na.
Ano?
My name is Concentrate.
What is your name?
My name is Kutoy.
Clap your hands for Kutoy. Okay, Kutoy, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Ano gusto mong maging paglaki?
Naging 7 years old.
I mean, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer, you want to be a singer.
Ako na be ang millionaire.
Kutoy, do you go to school?
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What else?
Math,
Ano pa?
science, recess, grade time, eating time, sleep.
Hoy! Okay, ganito na lang ha. Since magaling ka sa English, sample mo kami, okay?
Okay.
Question, what is your favorite animals?
My favorite animals is crocodile.
Wow, spell crocodile.
Ay, sorry, I like dog.
Okay, sige. Spell dog.
D-O-G.
Clap your hands for Kutoy. Very good. Spell cat.
C-A-T.
Very good. Spell train.
L-R-T.
Spell rice.
M-F-A.
Spell chicken.
K-X-C.
Spell ketchup.
U-X-C.
Spell pizza.
S-N-R.
Okay, so you wanna sing, you wanna dance.
I like sing.
What else?
I like basketball.
Okay, who's your favorite basketball player?
I like Michael.
Who's Michael?
Michael Jackson.
Sorry, he is a singer dancer, right? Michael.
Alam ko na, Michael George of the Jungle.
Mali, Michael Jordan. Okay, so alam mo na, Michael.
Sorry, Michael Jordan pala.
Okay, so do you know how to sing a happy birthday song?
Yes.
Okay, kanta ka na. Ready, sing!
Tingnan na si AJ. Tingin na.
Sing ka na. Okay, ready, sing. Okay, what happened to you?
Sorry, watching lang.
Sige, kanta ka na. Ready, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Edna. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Mataas!
Happy birthday! Wait lang, bakit? Parang maglilikad ako.
Ano ba nila? Okay, kanta ka na. Ready, sing.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright, everybody, clap your hands for Kutoy. And now, wait, parang na-cha-cha. Alright, show big bubbles. Big bubbles. Wow. Nakatingin rin si Marco. Yan o. Enjoy rin siya sa bubbles. Mamaya mag-picture yan si Mark inside the bubbles. Wow! Alright, so now one is Lakeland girls, one is Lakeland boys. It's time for a picture inside the bubbles. Wow! Enjoy them. Bubbles. Alright, so don't worry. The bubbles is non-toxic, so wala po siyang okay naman siya. Joy lang po yan, joy. So no problem. Okay, so picture taking them with the bubble rod. And forget, pag
guys, dito kami. Ayan, araw ngayon. Ito ka ng single. Walang view dito. Tara na rin. Mother. Ay, mga kwarto. Mama. Tara na. Lakad-lakad tayo. Si vlogger. Ay na. Ha? Ito pa yung isang room. Ay, nalinis na agad. Wow. Ha? Ay, sa amin makalat. Wala ka na. Ay, dito muna kami sa labas. So, ito ang gugod ng ano, halaman. So, ayan. Ito ang laki. Ang laki. Hindi yan si Edmark. Kapatid na Edmark. Alika na, mother. Yan. Baba na kami. Baba na kami. Yung mga buhay. Ay, plastic. Plastic ito. Ang nalinis na agad. Kitchen. Ay, may binibentang rubber tree. Ang mga halaman dito. Ay, swimming pool. Si mother. Ayan, swimming pool. Hindi ko ganda nitong halaman na to. Kaya dito rubber tree ulit. May jacuzzi dyan. So, ayan. Naman pamangkin ko na sa swimming pool.